Welcome to my YouTube channel DesignAbhi. So today I am going to show you this cool futuristic hero section for the website. So imagine you are starting a cool tech company. You want your website to feel smart, modern and just a little futuristic, right? So that's exactly what I tried to capture in this design. Before I even opened my design tool, I just show you that I have collected all this from my brand assets. So for this I have created this brand assets and components. I have created the color library and I have created some components like button components, text component and icons as GIFs. So these are the animations which I have created in After Effects. So I will show you the whole process step by step. So let's get started. So let's start for the design process. So I will create a frame. I will take this side desktop. We will give the name hero section. So first I will apply the background color. Now I will place logo here. I will give some breathe room so it looks clean. That is fine. Now let's create our menu link. For that I will type here my bad. I will change the font here. DM Sans. We will keep it regular, and for the size we will make it 16. And now I will duplicate. We will make it black. Now we will give a proper name in the layer section so that we can understand better to find any layer later. Now I will select both. I will apply auto layout. Shift A is the shortcut. I will just drag it here. I will keep the height 20. Now we will apply clip content so that our other text will not be visible. Why I am doing this? Because we have to create an animation. You will understand later. For now let's go further. Now we will convert this into component. We will add variant. We will give this name to hover. In this component layer we will take black screen to center of this component, and we will take it this white services outside to the frame. We will take it upside so it will looks like which I showed you in earlier in the prototype. Now I will select above one black. I will also give the name to this main component. I will create one frame here, so we will keep all our components in this frame so that you guys can understand better. Now let's apply some interactions. We will go to prototype. I will select this. I will give first trigger while hovering. We will do smart animate. Easy now. You can keep curves as per your requirements as you feel right. For the second one I will keep the trigger mouse leave, is out. Now let's check our prototype is working right or not. Yeah, it's totally working fine. So our first component is ready. So right now I will just delete this. I will select first one and I will duplicate it. And one more thing, we will keep this all text into caps for now. We'll make it hub content. So hub content is important because there should not be extra space later when we will show our menu links side by side. Now we will take it to advanced level. So for that we will apply some properties so that later on when I will duplicate this, it will give me one more section where I can change the name directly. So for that, right now I will select this text. Here you can see it's showing apply variable and property. So we will give the property. So for this we will press plus. We can give any name. Right now I'm giving the name content and create property. So it's already created here. Oh, sorry, my bad. I will now select the other one. I will apply the same property, content. So now when I'm selecting this, here you can see I got the new section. It's showing content. My bad, the spelling is wrong. Just a second. Now when I will duplicate this, I can change directly name. I don't have to recreate the whole process. Now let's check. Yeah, it's totally working fine, right? So we are going in the right direction. So I will also give this name to this menu link. Now we will create our CTA button, which we can see here. So I will right now create first rectangle. Now I will give some radius. Now I will create text. So right now we will convert it into frame. Control Alt G, give the name default. We'll duplicate. Now we increase the width of this. I will select both. We will create it into component set. So it's showing some error. So now we will change the name here to hover. Now let's apply some interaction. We will go to prototype. We will follow this same interaction to all our components, like ease in, ease out, and ease out for the other version. Now let's check our this. I will just right now I will take it here because it's ready. So now I will duplicate it. Yeah, it's totally working fine. So our second component is also ready. We will keep the same breathe room. I will also change the name header section. So now we will create our main headline. Now we have this fun part with the animation where we see the text icons together. I will show you how to animate this right now. So from the brand asset, I will just take this for now, text and icons. So we will make one change. We will separate this V word and keep it separate, and the rest of content will be grouped together. Group it, we'll give the name. Now what we will do, I will duplicate it. I will just replace the name one by one. Now I will change the icon. I will copy it. I will replace it. Now we will group this whole content. Give the name properly. Now we will select this both. Now we will apply frame. So Ctrl Alt G shortcut. We will keep the height 80, and now we will apply clip font. So our first frame is ready. We will rename this layer, and we will take all these components to the component frame because we are building multiple components. We will repeat this process. So why we are making this another build? Because when we will apply some interaction in our prototyping, so you will see the animation in continuation. So I will just show you. Now we will select the all content and we will create component set. Now we will just change the name. Now we will apply interactions. So for this we will set after delay with 2000 milliseconds. We will keep it gentle and we will repeat it again. And now for this we will again apply this to first one, and for this we will apply only 1 second and we will make it instant. So now we will check our prototype is working or not. Yeah, it's working fine. So our third component is also ready. I will just again select this, duplicate it, and now I will place it here. Let's check again. Now let's place our sub headline. I will just copy it right now. I will just paste it here. So now let's move on to the next part, which is these icons which are shown in this main frame. So for this I have already created the animation in the After Effects for these icons. Right now I will just create this custom design so you will understand how it works when we apply some interactions on these icons. Let me show you from the start. So now our design is ready. It's time to make prototype. So let's add some interaction. So first we will make it into component set. We'll give the name while hovering. We will do smart animate. We will keep here ease in and ease out. Okay, mouse leave, we will keep ease out. Now let's check our prototype is working. Oh, let's see what goes wrong. So the height and width of these both components are different. so we have to match the height and width. You can change the height and width by pressing Ctrl. If you directly type your inputs in width and height section, so it will not work properly. You have to keep this in mind. Now let's check again. Yeah, it's totally working fine. Now let's take this. The first part is completed. Now we have to go for the second part, which is about this content which we have to show. So I will not create this glass effect box. I will just take it from here and I will paste into our this component. I will select this and paste it here. I will change the content. Now let's check the prototype is working properly or not. And yes, it's working totally fine. So now we have to just duplicate these components like this, and we have to change the icons and content of that box, and we will repeat this process. So our fourth component is ready. Now let's just place it into the main frame. Just duplicate the first one. Now let's check, and it's totally working fine. So here I have applied this neon blue color on hover. It looks like a light is shining and the icon is rotating on the top of it, which I already told you in starting. This animation I have created in After Effects, and below that content is designed with a glass effect, so it looks trendy and futuristic. So now we will go to the next part, and which is our CTA button. It's clean and minimalistic. So let's go and we will create this button animation. Totally working fine. Just I'll change the color to black. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, totally working fine. Now we will create our grid section. This will require bit of detailed work, so I won't create the full design right now. I will just place a ready-made design here and create a component for the 4 boxes, so you can see how the animation and interaction will work and get a clear idea of how it. So according to this design, this is the middle section, so I will just create the 4 box. So now I will also create a background for these 4 boxes according to this great design. Now I will select both. We will create component set. Over this default. Now we will apply some interactions. So now let's check our prototype is working or not. So this is how we will create the component, and it will goes for the all this grid design. You have to repeat the same process. So we have completed all the components. So now you get all the idea how we can create this perspective grid design and this modern and futuristic look for this website hero section. And that's how you turn a simple idea into a premium website hero section. If you found this helpful, hit like, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more design tips. If you want to see more beautiful interactions like in this tutorial, so tell me in the comment section. I will create more tutorials like this. Until then, keep creating and keep it glowing. Happy designing.